in a town nestled among rolling hills and sparkling streams lived a young girl named Ella. Ella wasn't just any ordinary girl. She had a magical mirror that held extraordinary powers. This mirror was a cherished family heirloom passed down through generations, and it was said to hold the key to every night before drifting into dreams. Ella would whisper a secret wish into her mirror, hoping for a glimpse into the world beyond. One evening, as she whispered her wish for adventure, the mirror glowed with a soft, ethereal light, and a door-shaped shimmer appeared within its frame. With a heart full of curiosity, Ella stepped closer, and to her amazement, the shimmering door opened into a breathtaking world. She found herself in a land filled with towering castles, colorful gardens, and talking animals. It was a world where magic flowed in the air like a gentle breeze. Ella discovered that this magical realm was in turmoil. The Fairy Queen's enchanted garden, the source of all magic, was losing its glow. The mystical creatures were losing their powers, and the land was slowly fading into darkness. Determined to help, Ella embarked on a quest to restore the garden's magic with the guidance of her mirror. She journeyed through enchanted forests, crossed mystical rivers, and befriended creatures both big and small. She met Sparkle, a mischievous pixie with a heart of gold, and together they braved challenges, solving riddles and puzzles laid out by the mischievous forest spirits. They encountered talking trees, who shared ancient wisdom, and playful fireflies that lit up the darkest spots. With every challenge they conquered, a piece of magic was restored to the garden. As they ventured deeper into their quest, Ella realized that her courage, kindness, and determination were the true magic that the Fairy Queen's garden needed. As a token of gratitude, the Fairy Queen granted Ella a gifted sparkling necklace that glowed with the essence of the restored magic. With a warm embrace and tearful farewells, Ella bid adieu to her newfound friends and stepped back through the shimmering door. She woke up in her room, the magical mirror resting peacefully on her dresser. Ella realized that the adventures in the enchanted world had taught her the most valuable lesson: true magic lies within oneself, in kindness, courage, and the willingness to help others. And from that day on, Ella continued to cherish her magical mirror, not just for the adventures it offered, but for the reminder that true magic resided within her heart all along.